Solve the equation. 21. Solve the equation x plus 2 over 3, x plus 2 over 3 plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 5. All right, so the solution to this, let's write it out, okay? X plus 2 over 3 plus 2x. This is over 1. Even if they did not put it, any number alone just is over 1. Let's make it this. Then minus 5 is also over 1 is equal to 5. This can be also over 1 if you want to put. So let's reduce this fraction first. So this is, we're reducing this, right? The LCM of 113 is 3, right? Okay, so 1 divided 3 is 3. 3 times 5, so this is 15, right? Minus 1 divided 3 is 1. 3 times 2x is 6x, right? Then plus 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 times everything here is x plus 2, right? So this is also equal to 5, right? You can still put your over 1 if you want to, right? So let's go to this point and continue what we have to solve there. Okay. So, with what we have here now, okay, we can just do the, let's bring it up here. So this is x plus 2 plus 6x minus 15 all over 3 is equal to 5, maybe over 1 if you want to put that. So let's simplify what we have here. X plus 6x gives us 7x. 2 minus 15 will give us minus 13. You get that? 2 minus 15 is minus 13 divided by 3 is equal to 5 over 1. At this point, we can now cross multiply, right? This multiply everything here will be 7x minus 13 is equal to this 15. Is that okay? All right, so our 7x will now be equal to this, right? Equal to 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13, right? So 7x is 28. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. So divide both sides by 7. So this x is now equal to 7 here is 1, 7 here is 4. X is equal to 4. So option A is the correct option, right? Okay, so let's go to the next one. 22. Ade's age is 56 years more than his son, okay? If the son's age is W years, find the value of W when the sum of their ages is, this looks like a simultaneous equation, yeah? So find the sum of their ages. Okay, they said find the value of W, all right? And when the sum of their ages is 76 years. Now let's put that in mathematical form, right? 22. Ade's age is 56 years more than his son's age. Now, if the son's age is W, find the value of W, that is the son's age, when the sum of their ages is 76. So we also need to know Ade's age, right? Now, they said Ade's age is W years old, right? If the son's age is W, find the value of W when the sum of the ages is this. So Ade's age is 56 years more. So we don't know the father's age, that is Ade. So let Ade's age be maybe X, since we have WX, right? So let's have S. Let Ade's age be X. All right. So the first statement we have there says Ade's age is 56 years more than his son. More than his son. It means this Ade's age, which is 56, X, is equals to 56 years plus W. Remember, the son's age from the question is W years old. So if we said that Ade's age is X, let it be X, it means that X is equal to 56 plus W years, right? That is correct. So Ade's age is 56 more than his son. So if the son's age is W, now find the value of W when the sum of their ages is 76. So they are saying that, so this is our equation 1. So it says when the sum of their ages, so if W plus X is 76, equation 2. Come on, you have to understand this very well. Now the question says, look at now, it says find the value of W when the sum of their ages, which age? The sum of Ade's age and the sum of the son's age, right? Ade's age is X, right? And the son's age is W. So when the sum of their ages is 76, they say we should find each of their ages what is. So this is a simultaneous equation because there are two variables that we need to look for what they are, right? All right, so let's solve this simultaneously, right? So we can make this equation 1 to appear very well. This equation 1 can also be X, this W can come here, minus W is equals to 56. So it is still our equation 1, please. Then we have, what is it again? X plus W is equal to 76, right? So these are equation 2, right? It's still the same thing. I just put X here. You know, in addition, you can fix any of the parameters in any part of, whether in the right or the left. It will still give you the same thing. All right, so, okay, so since we have this, we can now solve simultaneously, right? So let's do elimination. Let's eliminate quickly. All right, so let's do, we can also eliminate 1 from 2, not only 2 from 1. So let's eliminate 1 from 2. So let's subtract 1 from 2. So subtract 1 from 2. That is X plus W is equal to 76 minus X minus W is equal to 56. So let's see what that will be, right? 76 minus 56, right? 76 minus 76 minus 56. 6 minus 6 is 0, right? 7 minus 5 is 2. So that is 20 is equal to, right? W minus W, W minus W. So it will give us 2W, right? Right? So X minus X gives us 0. So if I go, let's go up. So we have 2W is equal to 20, right? Okay, so that means divide by 2, this. It means W is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here is 10, is equal to 10, right? So W is equal to 10 because they ask us find the value of W when the sum of their ages is what? 6. So the value of W is equal to 10. There's no need finding the value of X. To find the value of X, just put where is that W? Okay, where we have the real age of the father, 56 plus 10, that is 66 years. So the father is 66 years while the son is 10 years. Okay, all right, so W is 10. That is option E, our correct option there, right? Okay, so the next one is question number 23. 23. 23 says, if x is equal to 2, y is equals to 6, z is equals to 4, evaluate 4y plus 2z, 4y plus 2z all over x plus y. So this substitution, it means wherever you have y, put the value of y. Wherever you have z, put the value of z. Wherever you have x, put the value of x. Just like that. So 4y, our y is 6. So this is 4 times 6 plus 2z. Z is 4. It means 2 times 4 divided by x is 2. 2 plus y is 6. 6. All right. So this is 4 times 6, right? That gives us 24. All right? 4 times 6 is 24. That is 6 times 4, 24. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. All right? Divided by 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 8. 24 plus 8 rather, sorry. 24 plus 8 should give us 32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 gives us 4, right? So the answer to that question is 4. We move to the next, right? So 24. 24 says expand, open bracket 2a minus 3. We close the bracket, then open another bracket, 1 plus a. You say we should expand this. To expand means to multiply the two equations, the two brackets. All right, so this is 2a times 1 gives us 2a. Then 2a times a will give us plus 2a squared, right? So we go to minus 3. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 times a is minus 3a. Is that correct? It's correct. So let's just arrange this thing. Let the terms be close to a similar term, right? So let's have 2a, start it first. Then let's have this 2a first. So plus 2a. Then this one that has 3a should also come minus 3a. Then let's have this one now minus 3, right? So we have 2a squared. 2a minus 3a will give us minus a. That is 2 minus 3 is 1. Is minus 1, right? So you know that if we say something is minus a minus x, that is minus 1x minus 2. So this is 2a minus 3a is minus a minus 3, right? So 2a squared minus a minus 3. All right, so option, what is the option? Option B, 2a squared minus a minus 3. Option B is correct. So let's go to the next one. The next one says, solve the equation 1 over p plus 2, that is 25. 1 over p plus 2, right, is equal to 8 over 3p plus 1. Okay, 1 over p plus 2 is equal to 8 over 3p plus 1. So simple, please, this is cross multiply, right? That is what you do there, a fraction, a fraction. So this goes here, 3p plus 1 times 1, anything times 1 is still that thing. So this is 3p coming this way is 3p plus 1. This goes here. 8 times p will be 8p. That is p times 8 is 8p. Then plus 2 times 8 is 16, right? Good. So take like terms. Let's take like terms. This one come here. 1 go to where real number is. So we have 3p minus 8, right? P, because this 8 now is crossing over, changing to minus, is equal to 16 minus 1. So 3p minus 8p is minus 5p is equal to 15, right? Divide both sides by minus 5, minus 5. Minus cancel minus 5 into 5 is 1. 1 times p is equal to 5 here is 1, 5 here is 5. It's 3 rather, right? It's 3. Minus 1 divided by 3 is still minus 3, right? So p is equal to minus 3. So our option B is the correct option. We'll move to the next one, 26. Find the value of x if 3x plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 7. 26. Find the value of x if 3x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 7. 4x minus 7. All right? We take like terms too. Very simple. 4x come this way. 5 go to 7. All right? So we have 3x. 4 come this way will now be minus 4x to be equal to minus 7x. 5 comes here now will become minus 5. You get that? So this is 3x minus 4x will be minus x to be equal to minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12. So this minus can cancel minus from here. Just, okay, once you see minus appearing in both sides of the equation, they can take off themselves out of the both equations, okay? So it means x will now be equals to 12, right? Okay, so x is equal to 12. E is the correct option. All right, so let's go to the next one. Okay, the next question is 16a squared minus 9a squared, 9b squared. All right. So the question is factorize 16a squared minus 9b squared, right? All right, so this 16a squared, we can just put this 16, simplify this 16. 16 means 4 square, right? All over a square minus 3 square b square. So what we have here is the same thing as this, right? All right, so what that simply means is 4a square minus 3b squared, right? So if we look at this, what this would simply mean is 4a minus 3b all squared, right? Okay, now this is difference of two squares. Like we have this squared, we have this squared. So this is difference of two squared, and difference of two squared, okay? The rule is when we have this, it means that 4a is plus 3b and 4a minus 3b. So that is simply what this means. 4a plus 3b, then 4a minus 3b. 4a plus 3b, then 4a minus 3b. So option B is the correct option, right? Okay, so find the coefficient of xy in the expression. Find the coefficient of xy in the expression. Okay, so when we expand this expression, the coefficient of xy. All right, let's see 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y, and 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y. Is that okay? All right, 5x minus 3y. So we expound this. 3x times 5x is 15x squared. 3x times minus 3y will give us minus 9xy. Then we have 2y times 5x will give us plus 10yx or xy. Then minus 2y times 3y will give us minus 6y, right? Okay. So if we have this now, what they're asking us is find the coefficient of xy in the expression. So xy is here. This yx is also xy. So let's put it xy so that you know it's the same thing. xy, right? So let's see. So this is equal to 15x squared minus 9xy plus 10xy. Minus 9xy plus 10xy, right? So the thing is, this is now xy. So this is plus xy because minus 9 plus 10 is 1, right? So minus 6y. So they're asking us, what is the coefficient of xy? The coefficient of xy is 1, right? So the coefficient of xy is 1. All right, so let's look at 29. 29 says, express 3 over y minus 5 over y, right? Plus 2. This 2 is also over 1, okay? So let's look for the LCM of y, and 1 is y. 1 divided y is y. Y times 2 is 2. Plus y divided y is 1 times 5 is 5, right? Minus comes here. Y divided y is 1 times 3 is 3, right? Okay, so what that means is we have 3 minus 5 is minus 2, all right? Plus 2. Okay, remember this is 2y, right? This is 1 divided y is y. Y times 2 is 2y. Don't forget that. All right. So this means 3 minus 5 is minus 2, right? Minus 2. So this is minus 2 plus 2y all over what? Y. Now, with this, if you look at the options, we have here. None of the options look like this, but this is what they had to do. They have to factorize this now. So we have to factorize this. If we factorize this, it means that minus, so this is equal to minus 2 can come out, all right? We'll now have 2, this minus 2 now, or which is a factor here, into 2 is 1. So here now will become 1, okay? Minus times minus will be plus. So this will now become minus 2y, all right, all over y. Now, if you look at the equation 2, if you look at your options, we don't have exactly like this there, but I think the answer is there. Now, what they had to do was to twist something there for you. Look at this first one. You have 2 times y, that is 2y. Let's see, 2y, right? The option A, 2y. Then 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2, right? Then divided by y. So can you see what they did here now? What they simply did was to, we can also rearrange this thing that we have here so that we don't have negative outside of the bracket. So what that simply means is, if we look at what we have here, we can decide to bring 2 out. So if we have 2 out, right? So what it means is that here we'll now have minus 1, right? we'll have minus 1. That will now mean that here we'll have plus 1 or y. Plus y there because 2 into 2 is 1. Then divided by y. Can you see that now? Now what they did was to rearrange, was to bring y here and bring 1 this way. So see what they did here, equal to 2 into y came here and minus 1 came here and all over y. So which is what we have in the first option, 2 into y minus 1 all over 1. So this is the correct option, option A, right? All right, so let's go to the next one. Simplify x plus 3 over 3. That is 30, right? X plus 3 over 3. X plus 3 over 3 plus x minus 3 over 4. X minus 3 over 4. So this is also two fractions to be simplified. So let's get the LCM of the fractions. So let's get the LCM of the fraction. Let's finish with this. Okay. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, right? 4 divide 12 is 3. 3 times all this means 3 into x minus 3, right? Plus 3 into 12 is 4. 4 times all this means 4 into x plus 3. We close the bracket, right? So we move next. 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 times x, 3x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. All over 12, right? So we have this. 4x plus 3x will give us 7x. 12 minus 9 will give us 3 all over 12. So that is the answer. 7x plus 3 over 12. 7x plus 3 over 12. That is option D. All right. If 3 over 8 of Olu's monthly savings is 24,000, find his monthly savings. So let's look at Olu's monthly savings, 31. They said if 3 over 8 of Olu's monthly saving, first of all we say, we don't know Olu's monthly saving, right? So we say let her monthly saving be A. Let it be A, all right? So we are saying that 3 over 8 of A is equal to what? Is that 24? 24,000. So what is the value of A? So this means 3 over 8 times A is equal to 24,000 naira, right? So 3 times A is 3A over 8 is equal to 24,000 naira, right? So if we cross multiply, this will be 3A will be equal to 24,000 naira times 8, right? Right. Okay. So it means divide both sides by 3. So this is 3 and this is 3. This A will be equal to, so let's look at what the monthly savings will be. 3 here is 1. 3 into 24. Okay? 3 into 24 is 8, right? Is 8. Is that okay? So this means 8,000 times 8. All right? So A will give us, I think that is 64,000. 8 times 8 is 64,000. So it means that Olu's monthly, Olu's monthly saving is 84,000. If the monthly saving is this, what is the monthly? If 3 over 8 of Olu's monthly saving is 24,000, find his monthly saving. So it's 64,000 naira. Let her monthly savings be what? 64,000 naira. So 64,000 is the correct option there, right? So let's go to the next one. Find the coefficient of x in the expression. Let's look at the coefficient of x in that expression. Coefficient of x in the expression 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 and x minus 2 and 1 minus 2x. All right, so the coefficient of x. They're asking us for the coefficient of x. All right. All right, so 2x times 1 is 2x. Then 2x times minus 2x is minus 4x squared. Then 1 times 1 is plus 1. Then 1 times minus this is minus 2x, right? All right, so if we go 2x minus 2x minus 4x squared plus 1, right? So 2x minus 2x is 0 minus 4x squared, right? Plus 1. So the coefficient of x there is 0, okay? It has no coefficient, right? So 0 is the correct option there. Let's go to the next one. Evaluate 33. Evaluate 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2 all over 2. Is that division? All right, plus 2x plus 2 all over 3 when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2. So what they are saying we should do is, where you see x, substitute it with the value of 2, all right? So this means 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2. This is all over 3. This is all over 2, right? So this is 2 times 2, 4 minus 2. Is that okay? Here is 2 times 2, so bring our plus, 4, then plus this 2. So this is over 3, and this is over 2, right? So 4 minus 2 is 2 over 2, plus 4 plus 2 is 6, so over 3, right? So this is 2 over 2 is 1, plus 6 over 3 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3, right? 34. Solve for x. Solve for x if 2x minus 5 is greater than 7. What is the value of, what are the range of value of x? All right, so let's solve for x. Okay, so 34 says solve for x if 2x minus 5 is equal to, or is greater than rather, 7. This is inequalities, right? So we take like terms now, all right? So this is 2x greater than 7 plus 5. 2x is greater than 7 plus 5 is 12. So divide both sides by 2, right? 2 here. So x will be equals to 1, 6. X is greater than 6 rather. X is greater than 6, right? And that is option E is the correct option. All right, so let's go to the next one. 2/5 of a certain number is greater than 8. Find the range of, so let the number, we don't know the number, right? 35. Let the number be, let's say x. All right, so the question says 2/5 of x is greater than 8. So this is 2 over 5 times x is greater than 8, right? So 2 times x is 2x over 5 is greater than 8, right? Cross multiply. All right, so this is 2x is equals to 5 times 8 is what? 40, right? So this is greater than rather. So divide by 2, this, x is equal to, this is 1, this is 20. S is greater than 20. All right? X is greater than 20. All right. So 36. If a certain number y is tripled, so they are giving us the number first, so the result is less than 8. Find the range of values. This is the inequality question. So if a certain number y is tripled, so they are saying if y is times 3, that is tripled times 3. Okay, the result is less than 18. So the result is less than 18. You see that now? So they're asking find the range of values of the number, right? So this is a straightforward question. Less than 18, right? So let's put 18 there, right? Okay, so this is y times 3. So this is 3y is less than 18. Divide both sides by 3, right? So that we can get the value of y. So this is y now. So less than, please. 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 18 is 6. So y is less than 6. Right? Y is less than 6. Option C is the correct option. All right? So 37, solve the equation 1 over z minus 1. That's 37. 1 divided by z minus 1 is equal to 5 divided by 4z plus 1. So cross multiply, okay? All right, so this come here. So this is 4z plus 1. What did I do? 4z times 1 is 4z. 1 times 1 is 1. All right, so this one goes 5 times z. So this is 5z. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5, right? Okay, so we can take like terms now. Z should come to where we have 4z. 1 should go to where we have 5. So give us 4z minus 5z, because 5 will change to minus when it crosses. Okay, is equal to minus 5. This one goes here, and that'll be minus 1. Is that okay? All right, so 4z minus 5z will give us minus z is equal to minus 6. Z minus cancel minus, z is equal to 6. Is that okay? So our z is equal to 6. So 38. A certain number of boys were to share 160 oranges. 5 boys left, and the rest shared the oranges. Each of them got 8 oranges. How many boys were present? So let the number of boys that shared the orange, let's say let it be x, 38. Let the number of boys that shared be x. Let's keep x working, all right? So they say a certain number of boys were to share 160 oranges, 5 left. So it means out of the x number of people, 5 left. That is x minus 5 are the real people that share the oranges now, right? So it means that 160 oranges was shared by x number of persons minus the 5 that left. That is what that means. 160 oranges were shared by X number of persons, but 5 left. Can you see that? 5 boys left and the rest shared the oranges. Each of them got 8 oranges. So they say each of them. So it means when they shared, the result was 8 oranges each person. So they're asking how many boys were present originally. So let's look at this. Let's look at this question says how many boys were present originally. That is both the people that shared and the people that left. Want to know how many all of them are. All right. So this is cross multiply. So this is this 1 times all this, or let's use 8 times all this, right? 8 times x is 8x minus 8 times 5 is 40 is equal to 60 times 1 is 160 times 1 rather is 160, right? All right, so we can cross multiply, we can take like terms now. So this is 8x, right, is equal to 160 plus 40. Is that okay? So, okay, so 8x is equal to 160 160 plus 40 rather is equal to 160. So this is 200, right? So this is 200. Then 8 here, 8 here, this. We have x to be equal to 2 here is 4, 2 here is 100, right? Oh yes, that is right. Okay, so 2 here is 2, 2 here is 50, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 25, right? So we have x to be 25, right? It means that, now, what it means is that the original persons that were supposed to share that oranges, right? Now, the question is a certain number of boys were to share 160 oranges. Okay? Now, out of that, 5 left. So, 5 left this place, right? Now, 5 left and the rest shared the orange. Now, the question is, each of them got 8 oranges. Now, the question now is, how many boys were present originally? That is, both those that got the orange and those that did not. Do you get the point now? Both those that shared the orange and those that did not even share the orange. So there were about 25 of them in number. But do you know that in this 25, 5 left? So the number of boys that actually shared the orange were like 20 boys. But originally they were 25 in number. Do you understand me now? So 25 is the correct option. All right. If x varies directly as y and x is equal to 2 when y is equal to 3, find the formula connecting x and y. All right. So this is an inverse variation. Okay. I think we did something around variation. I think. All right. So let's go ahead. Variation. All right, so let's just look at these, even if it's not on this channel. All right, so let's look at x. If x varies directly as y and x is equal to 2 when y is equal to 3, find the formula connecting there. So x, they say x varies directly, so directly, not inversely, directly as y. Okay, so they're asking us. So for this one, let's introduce the constant. So x will be equals to constant times y, right? Okay, so let's look at that. So they say when x is 2, so when x is 2, constant is times, what is our y? Y is 3. Y is 3. So what that means is k times 3 is equal to 2. So 3k is equal to 2, right? So k is equal to 2 over 3, right? K is equal to 2 over 3. So they're asking us to find the formula connecting x and y. Now, if we are to find the formula connecting x and y, it means that where we have k, we have to do what? If we are looking for x, where we have k, we have to put 2 over 3. So for us to find x, what it means that therefore, all right, x is equal to ky, meaning x will now be equal to k is 2 over 3 times y, right? 2 over 3 times y. So this will now mean equal to 2 times y is equal to 2y all over 3. So the formula connecting them is x is equal to 2y over 3. X is equal to 2y over 3, which is option C. X is equal to 2y all over 3. All right. So let's go to the next one. 3 pens and 5 rulers cost 65 naira, while 3 pens and a ruler cost. This is a simultaneous equation, all right? So let's solve another simultaneous equation here. Find the cost of a pen and a ruler respectively. So let's look at this now. 40 says that 3 pens. So we will donate pen for P and we will donate rulers for L. So it says how many pen? 3P, that is for pen, and 5L plus 5L. They say cost 65 naira is equal to 65 naira, equation 1. That's what they said there. Then they now said while 3 pen, 3P, and a ruler and 1L cost how much? Cost 25 naira. 25 naira, equation 2. So they're asking us to find the cost of a pen and the cost of a ruler respectively. So this is what we're going to do. We'll just do simultaneous equation here. Okay, so let's subtract equation 2 from 1. So subtract 2 from 1. All right? So this will mean 3P plus 5L is equal to 65. Then 3P plus L is equal to 25. If we subtract, this subtracting, 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay? Now 5L minus L will give us 4L. 3P minus P will be eliminated. So we are having 4L is equal to 40, right? So we come here, we have 4L is equal to 40, right? Okay, so if we have that, what that will simply mean is we divide both sides by 4, this side by 4, this. It means L is equal to 4 here is 1, 4 here is 10. So L is equal to 10. So it means that the 5 ruler, each ruler, okay, is like 10. So they say find the cost of a pen and a ruler, right? So now to find for the pen, which is P, put L equal to 10 into any of the equation, okay? So let's put in this equation 2. Since we're looking for, okay, let's put in equation 1 in 1. All right? All right, so we have 3P plus 5L is equal to 65, right? That's what we have in equation 1. 3P, 5L, 65. So wherever we have L, we'll put 10. So 3P plus 5, 10, 65, right? So 3P will give us 5 times 10 is 50, is equals to 65, right? So 3p will be equal to, because this will come here now, 65 minus 50, right? So 3p will be equal to 65 minus 50, right? So 50, 55, 60, 65, so it's 15. How? If you 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, right? So divide both sides by 3, right? 3. So this, p, which is pen, is equal to 3 here is 1, 3 here is 5, right? So p is equals to 5, right? So it means that each pen costs 5 naira, while each ruler costs 10 naira, right? So if we look at what we have there, we have 5 naira, and wherever you have 5 naira and 10 naira, that is your answer. Option D, we have 5 naira. Okay, so they say find the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is 5 naira, which is 5 naira. They say respectively, right? So which is 5 naira, while cost of ruler is 10 naira, which is 10 naira here. So option D is the correct option there.